Welcome to our channel. Here's how to download Apple TV shows for offline viewing on your devices when you don't have internet access. Step 1. Open the Apple TV app on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV device. Step 2. Ensure you have an active Apple TV Plus subscription or have purchased the content you want. Step 3. Navigate to the show or movie you want to download. Search or browse to find your content. Step 4. Look for the download button. It appears as a cloud icon with a downward arrow. Step 5. Tap the download button. For TV shows, you can download individual episodes or entire seasons. Step 6. Choose your download quality. Select good, better, or best based on storage availability. Step 7. Monitor download progress in the Library tab under Downloaded section. Step 8. Manage your downloads by going to Settings, Downloads to set quality and storage preferences. Step 9. Access your downloads anytime in the Library section, even without internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.